Cooking. I'm not done. Sorry, Mommy. Thanks for helping me out. I wish your brother and your dad could help. Brother said that he didn't want to help. Of course he did. You know what? I have just the idea to get everyone back together. Honey! How do you feel about camping? Can't you see I'm busy, sweetie?
This just in. New criminal Hammerman was on the loose. This photo was found from the supposed victim's body. If you or anyone you know see him, call us or the police immediately.
I'm so excited. Aren't you guys? Ugh, shut up, Mom. I don't want to go on this stupid trip anyway.
I'm excited, Mother. Whew. By the looks of the traffic out here, we're gonna be there by nighttime.
We'll be fine, don't worry. That's the last of it. Hey, honey, let's go get some vegetables in the forest. Vegetables? Whatever you want, dear. You go first. Another empty one. Hey, CK, boy, get over here.
Hey, boy! I just didn't tap in on a drink, would ya?
Ow! Got my drink. I better go find Kathy now. Kathy! Kathy!
Just me and my bottle, trying to find Kathy. Oh my God! What's that? What's that?
No, it's Kathy. It's Kathy. How much time? You're a bit on the TV. No, please. You don't want to see me when I'm angry. You want to see my bad time. No, how much time? No.
It's hammer time.
Brother Sebastian, when is Mommy coming home?
I don't know, Juno. Oh, why did Mom even ever talk to me? Get away from me, creep. father?
Oh, Father went to go find you.
What?
Father went to go find your vegetables.
He wasn't with me.
Yes, he was.
He's gone? What do you mean he's gone? We need to go find him. Fine. Calm down. Just stay here. Me and CK will go. What are you talking about? It's fine. Come on, CK. Okay, Daddy. Wait. Is that Dad? Dad? Dad! Get up! Get up! See? What are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? Stop it, you asshole! Stop it! Stop it! What are you laughing about? It was the Hammerman! What? What? Get away from me!
It's
Get away from me!
hammer time.
Hammer time! Where are they? They haven't been back in so long. Where could they be? CK? What? They got them. Mother, CK. CK. They got them, Mother. What's wrong? They got them. Who got them? The Hammerman. What? The Hammerman. What are you talking about? I need to call. Someone give me your phone. Okay. Here. What is happening, CK? You need to explain. You need to calm down. Explain to me. What's happening? Huh? What? What are you? Oh no. No. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Employees happy.
Huh? It's hammer time!
Time to find my next enemy. It's hammer time.